Groups are a valuable way of organizing contacts for more targeted messages. For instance, a specific truck crew for a fire department or a selection of employees that work the night shift. To create one manually through the Manager portal, hover over the Contacts tab and click Groups. Existing groups are listed on the left of this screen, and when one is selected, its details and options for adding contacts to it are shown in the center. To create a new standalone group, click the All Contacts Groups folder. With that highlighted, click Plus Group. Give the group a unique name and add a description. Keep both specific and clear. Now that the group has been created, you can add existing contacts to it or create a new contact by clicking the Add Contact drop-down. Choosing Add Existing Contacts to this group brings up search options to locate and select contacts. Once you've selected the contacts you want to add, just click Add to Group. The Add a New Contact to this group option brings up a new contact record that can be filled out with appropriate information and be saved. For more courses, training, and certifications, visit Everbridge University. For specific courses on this topic, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.